And the weather for that game looks to be pretty nice. 57 degrees, clear and cool. Not as terrible, or I guess cold, as what perhaps some of us have woken up to in some of the last few days compared to yesterday morning. Look at some of these values in the mid-upper 20s, lower 30s. Green Bay's yesterday's temperature was at 34 degrees for the morning low. We had 30 in Clintonville, 33 in Fond du Lac, Wautoma at 30 degrees. Good news is that we're not that cold this morning, but yesterday's highs did manage to get into the mid-60s. It actually was pretty nice, but look how this warmth was developed off to the west. Mid and upper 80s across the central and northern plains, and 70-degree weather getting close to Minneapolis. Sioux Falls 77. It is not that warm at the moment whatsoever, though. We've got 38 outside, calm wind with a sunrise at 6:49 and a sunset at 6:35. It is freezing. The marking 32 at Mountain. It is 41 in Shawano, 35 in Clintonville. Very interesting to see with the clear skies and calm winds how the radiational cooling takes shape in different locations across northeast Wisconsin and where the typical cold points are due to that. 39 right now in Fond du Lac. Because of the clear skies, calm winds, and slightly more humidity, there is some areas of patchy dense fog. Wapaka, Clintonville, Anago, Green Bay, Oconto seeing a little bit of that this morning, even Sheboygan under a mile of visibility issues. We've got a high pressure moving off to the east, a couple of areas of low pressure to the west, and we have some light rain showers developing over Minnesota. But this high pressure, that's going to keep any rainfall away from us. So keeping us dry for the next few days before another chance for rain arrives here by Wednesday or late Tuesday night. Wanted to talk also about Hurricane Ian. It just seems like this storm just continues to just stick around, moving up to the north and northeast, 85 miles per hour. That is the sustained wind right now with gusts upwards of 105. It was only 2 days ago we were not even expecting this to become another hurricane after making landfall in Florida. We were just expecting it to be a tropical storm and make its way into the Carolinas. We've got tropical storm warnings and hurricane warnings all across South Carolina and North Carolina. Some very gusty winds as the storm makes a landfall. Looks to be at a Category 1 and then starts to weaken after it makes it reaches land and makes another landfall. We've got quiet weather in northeast Wisconsin today with skycast showing nothing but mostly clear skies. We've got another evening of beautiful stargazing if perhaps you want to be out and about. Maybe you're going camping this evening or heading into the weekend. Dry weather is expected for your Saturday morning. Into the afternoon, same story with highs in the upper 60s and lower 70s. But with it, we could also have some patchy dense fog over the coming days as well. But the weekend is looking to be great. We've got highs today that will probably top off in the upper 60s. Our normal high for this time of year is 66. So it'll be pretty nice to be outside out there with south winds at 5 miles per hour under mostly sunny skies. Tonight we'll drop down into the lower 40s. Calm winds, some patchy fog is possible. And then for tomorrow, getting back up into right around 70 degrees. Northeast winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. We do have a slight lake breeze that'll be coming in here, so I'm hopeful that at least the Fox Valley gets to 70, if not upper 60s. Down in the mid 60s for Sunday, a little bit cooler, back up into the upper 60s on Monday. Same thing Tuesday near Wednesday. And then eventually we'll cool back down into the 50s. A big change of pace. The warm weather can't last here forever, Noelle, so enjoy it while we still got it.
Yeah, we'll have to take full advantage of that weather this weekend. Thanks,
Sure.
Gino.
I'm John Matteries. Hurricane Ian is making many of us think about how important it is to have power in your